This is our daughter Lily. She's almost 2 years old. And she wants to show you how she's really good with the map. Hey Lily.
Okay.
Hey Lily, where is Brazil?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there it is. Where's the USA? There it is. Where is Russia?
Russia.
Where's Russia?
Russia.
Yep, where's Russia?
There it is. Where is Australia?
Yeah.
Yay, Lily. Where's Australia? There it is. Where is South Africa? There it is. Yay, Lily. Where is Mexico?
Mexico.
Where's Mexico?
Mexico.
Good job, where is it?
Very good. Where's Canada?
Canada.
Yeah.
Canada.
Where's Greenland?
Yay!
Where's Greenland? There it is. Yay, Lily. Where's Argentina?
Where is it? Where's Argentina? Argentina. Uh-huh.
Very good.
Yay, Lily.
Where's New Zealand? Very good. Where is India?
India, where is it?
Good
job.
girl. Where is Japan?
Hey, where's Japan?
Are you jumping?
Okay, Lily, good job. Where's Japan?
Very
Yay.
good. Where's China?
China, good job. Where is it?
Yay, Lily. Where is Saudi Arabia? Yay, Lily.
Good job.
Where's Zimbabwe?
Zimbabwe, where's Zimbabwe?
Good girl.
Yay.
Where's Spain?
Where's Spain?
There it is. Where is Paraguay? Where's Paraguay?
Where's Paraguay?
Jump.
Jump.
It's over by Ecuador.
Where's Paraguay?
Where's Paraguay? Oh, that's Ecuador. Very good.
Where's Paraguay?
That's right, Paraguay.
Where is it? Okay, where's Fiji? Fiji.
Where's Fiji?
You're pointing with your pinky. Oh,
There it
Fiji, good
is.
job. Where's
Good girl.
South Korea.
Ooh, where's South Korea, Lily? How about Taiwan?
Where's Uncle Brady in Taiwan?
Are you all done?
Set up.
More.
Yeah,
More?
Where's Taiwan?
Yay, Lily.
Yeah, where's South Korea?
Oh, good girl. We haven't done that one forever.
Where's Turkey? Yay!
Hey, Lily. Where's Turkey?
Turkey.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Oh, good girl. Where are the Philippines?
Philippines.
Where's Sri Lanka?
Yay!
Where's Sri Lanka? Sri Lanka?
Where's Sri Lanka?
There it is.
Good job.
Where is Mongolia? Where's Mongolia? There it is. Did we do China already?
Yeah, we did.
Okay, how about Chile? Where's Chile? Yep, right there. How about Panama?
Where's
Panama.
Yay!
Good girl.
Where's Greece? Yay! Good job. Where's Greece?
Where's Greece?
There it is.
Where's Turkmenistan?
Uh-huh.
There it is.
Good
Good girl. Where is the UK? Or United Kingdom?
Good
girl.
job.
Where's Iceland? There it is.
Where's Sweden?
Sweden.
How about Ireland?
Ireland.
Where's Madagascar? Good job.
Ireland.
That's right.
That's right.
Where's...
Madagascar?
Another.
Oh, where's Madagascar?
Whoa.
Boom.
Let's do some more.
Do you know any more?
Whoa, good job.
Where's Madagascar?
Yay.
There it is. How about the Ivory Coast? There it is. Where's Ghana? Right there.
Where's Antarctica? Down there.
Where's Malaysia? Good girl.
Where's Tasmania?
Yay, Lily. Where is Bolivia?
Yay.
Where's Bolivia? Alright, where's Colombia?
Yay.
There it is. Good girl. Where's the Czech Republic? Good. Where is Italy? Italy. Where's Egypt? Egypt.
That's right.
Where's the Congo?
Yay.
Hey Lily, where's the Congo? There it is.
Where's France? Okay.
You okay? Where's France?
Where's France?
Good. Oh, where'd it go?
Where's France?
There it is. Where's Portugal?
Yay.
Good. Where is Norway?
Norway.
Where's Norway? We haven't done this one in a while.
Norway.
Where's Norway?
Norway.
Norway, where is it? Where's Norway? Where did Norway go? Where is it on the map?
Don't know.
Where's Norway?
Where's Indonesia?
Good job.
Yay, Lily. Wow.
Let's see, what other one? Where is...
I think we've got a lot of them.
Yeah, I think that's it. Okay.
Can you say bye-bye?
No more.
More?
Okay. Where is Djibouti? Remember that one?
Did we do Djibouti?
Haley talked to us.
Oh.
Lily, where's Djibouti?
Oh, we did Germany.
Oh, where's Germany? Where's Germany?
Good. Did we ask her about Greece already?
Yes.
Okay.
Um,
Yay, Lily.
good job.
Say bye-bye.
And more.
More.
Where is